Good afternoon, this is Robin Bieber on the European Midday Roundup and Good Morning America chart talk on the 21st of May at 12 o'clock in the morning London time. The chart in front of you is July Brent 60-minute and you can see the gentle firming of the market which has been manifested in all contracts, gently steady this morning, and it's critical what RBOB does today. Or during the course of the afternoon. There's been a general steadiness and a good feel to the market, and structure is also pretty steady. And this is July Brent 60-minute, and here you can see it gently firming, and it looks like it's going to retest the highs at 36.72 in the not too distant future. And if you look at RBOB, slightly less confident, ebbing and flowing and moving around the critical 105.59 level. And we'll just have a look at RBOB first and why it is so critical. And if we look at a weekly chart of RBOB, you can see very clearly this key level here, 105.59. It's the 38.2% of the move 215.59 down to 37.60. Now yesterday we moved over there, screamed higher to the first CP after that at 107.57 and then onto the 50% correction point at 108.85. In other words, it was a catalyst for a move higher. And now we need to build on that, and the early move this morning gently over and it's been edging above the 105.59 level this morning, and if it can move and close over 105.59 and we're printing 106.09 this morning, we will head probably to 107.57, then 108.85. But most importantly, we will give confidence to the rest to move on higher. The move higher can be maintained without RBOB joining in, but it's so much safer when RBOB is not only joining in but leading. And if you look at WTI, here we have, that's Brent. We'll just look at WTI first. WTI has a target to 34.72. We've been up to 34.48. I would expect that to be hit, particularly if RBOB moves over 105.59. And then we'd need a close over 35.80, 35.18 to be taking it on much higher, probably to 36.35 and with further upside potential. But we must maintain the strength today. Brent has a target higher to 37.28, valid whilst over 36.40. We're only 10 cents over, so it's not exactly confirmed yet. Watch RBOB for the confirmation. Heating oil has moved back over its 55-day moving average, coming in at 98.45, and whilst above there, it should challenge its 13-week moving average at 102.80. 102.80 is a problem for it, but if it can move over there, we're running on up to 116, so there's some strength in store for us. And gas oil is pretty similar to heating oil. It's over the 55-day moving average. It's over the 13-week moving average as well at 300.5. And whilst over there, it has a target higher to 321.5. It's edging higher. We really need RBOB to move over 105.59 conclusively and stay over there to be punching higher. And if that occurs, i.e. RBOB over 105.59, and we are over there in a couple of hours' time, there's a reasonable chance we'll push on and firm into Friday and the long weekend. And if we just look briefly at structure, WTI, July Aug and Aug Sep, the left and the right charts, pushing higher, target on the July Aug to minus 31, the gap fill, target on the Aug Sep to minus 33, the gap fill. So there's steadiness there. And on the Brent, July Aug and Aug Sep, both of them pushing on higher today, although their hourly charts are beginning to look overcooked. The hourly charts this morning suggested some firmness, and they've certainly delivered. And the back end structure on WTI, nice and firm, still looking to go higher on the deck red deck to 176 whilst it stays over the 5-day moving average. 5-day gap a bit wide, so don't be surprised by the odd dip. And deck red deck Brent over the 5-day, over minus 365. Should head for minus 266, but probably in both these cases, not this afternoon. It will probably just gently firm. And that's all for today, folks. Good luck, good trading, and bon appetit.